Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to buy Bitcoin with Cashapp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Cashapp from your home screen. Once you open Cashapp, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you're here, all you need to do is simply tap on the investing tab represented by a rising curve icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you do this, you need to now choose the Bitcoin from the list of options that are available to buy. Once you see it, you need to simply tap on the buy button and select the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. And now you can simply follow these simple steps to buy as many Bitcoins and invest in as many Bitcoins you want. So I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos like this.